Hi class, let's take a look at problem 4. And basically on problem 4, they want the total amount of hours for the trip. And it's just going to be a sum since in this case, Kelly went from city A to B and then from B to C. So total time is going to be equal to technically 5 and 6/7, and this will be hours, plus and then 4 and 2/3 of hours as well for the second trip, or the second plane actually. And then at this point, what I'm going to do for the calculations is drop the parentheses and the units. So this will just be 5 and 6/7 plus 4 and 2/3, or 5 plus 6/7 plus 4 and plus 2/3. And let me just add the integers here. So that's going to be a total of 9 plus technically 6/7 and the 2/3. And let me combine the fractions. So for the fractions, the LCD is going to be equal to 21. So the first one, multiply times 3 and then times 7. And we're looking at the following equivalent fraction or fractions. This will be 9 plus 18 over 21 plus the values of 14 over 21. And we can now combine the fractions. So we're looking at, this will be 9 plus, that would be 32 over 21, or 9 plus, and let me just express this as a mixed number. So we're looking at 1, if it's 1, so 1 and 11 over 21. And another way to express this one is 10 and 11 over 21, technically hours. And let me double check the division. Yeah, we're good on the division. Now keep in mind that this is a problem that involves technically a sentence. So in this case, the total trip was 10 and 11 over 21 hours. And that would be it for this problem. Let's move on to problem 5. And in this case, the total amount of the cups, let me rewrite it as total amount is going to be equal to 1/6 plus 2/5. And our LCD is equal to 30. So times 5 times 5 times 6 times 6. And let me rewrite it as, well, this will be 5 over 30 plus 12 over 30, or technically 17 over 30. And this will be cups of flour. And let me check again the calculations. Okay, and then let me just express it as a sentence. So the total amount, so the total of flour used were 17/30 cups of flour. That's it for this problem. Okay, I'll put the other problems on another video.